Ever feel like traveling would be way easier with the right gear by your side? In this video, we're counting down 10 travel products that can make your trips more comfortable, organized, and stress-free. From budget-friendly essentials to smart gadgets, frequent travelers swear by. There's something here for every type of traveler. And as always, you'll find all the updated links in the description below. Starting off the list at number 10, we have the Dose Universal Travel Adapter, and this is one of those travel essentials you don't really appreciate until you're stuck in an airport with a dead phone and the wrong plug type. What makes this one stand out is the combination of worldwide compatibility and powerful 140 watt GaN fast charging, which means you can charge a laptop, phone, tablet, and other devices without carrying multiple bulky chargers. It also includes built-in USB-C cables, so you don't have to deal with tangled cords in your backpack. This is especially useful for frequent travelers, digital nomads, or anyone hopping between countries regularly. While it's a little bigger than basic adapters, the added charging power easily makes up for it. Overall, it earns its spot on this list because it simplifies your entire charging setup while traveling. Coming in at number 9, we have this portable electric vacuum compression bag, and if you've ever struggled to fit clothes into a carry-on, this thing can be a game changer. Instead of sitting on your suitcase trying to close it, you can compress bulky items like jackets, hoodies, or extra outfits in seconds, and instantly free up space. The built-in rechargeable vacuum pump makes it super convenient because you don't need a separate device or manual pump while traveling. It's also waterproof, which adds extra protection for your clothes during flights, road trips, or outdoor adventures. This is perfect for travelers who like packing efficiently without sacrificing outfit options. Obviously, it won't replace proper organization completely, but for maximizing luggage space, it does an incredibly good job. That's exactly why it deserves a spot in this ranking. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe. We post similar content every day. At number 8, we have a simple product that can save you from one of the most annoying travel expenses: overweight baggage fees. This digital luggage scale is compact enough to fit in your backpack or even your pocket, but it gives you peace of mind before heading to the airport. Instead of guessing whether your suitcase is too heavy, you can quickly weigh it in seconds and avoid those stressful check-in surprises. It's especially useful for international trips, shopping vacations, or travelers who tend to pack extra outfits and souvenirs on the way back home. The bright display is easy to read, and the included T-Say-style lock is a nice bonus for extra security while traveling. Sure, it's not the most high-tech gadget on this list, but it solves a real problem in a very practical way, which makes it an easy addition to any traveler's setup. In 7th place, we have the TimeKettle X1 AI Translator, and this is the kind of gadget that can completely change the way you travel internationally. Instead of struggling with language barriers or awkward translation apps, this device gives you real-time conversations that feel much more natural and smooth. It's especially useful for travelers visiting countries where English isn't widely spoken, whether you're asking for directions, ordering food, negotiating prices, or talking with locals. The wireless earbuds make conversations feel more comfortable and less robotic, which helps create a better travel experience overall. It also supports multiple translation modes depending on the situation, making it surprisingly versatile for both solo travelers and business trips. Of course, it works best with a stable connection for maximum accuracy, but even with that limitation, it's still an incredibly useful tool for making travel feel less stressful and much more accessible. Coming in at number 6, we have these Bluetooth luggage trackers, and honestly, once you travel with them, it's hard to go back. Losing luggage or even just wondering where your backpack is during a long trip can be incredibly stressful, especially in crowded airports or train stations. These trackers let you quickly check the location of your bags, keys, or other important items directly from your phone, which adds a huge sense of security while traveling. They're lightweight, easy to attach, and the battery lasts long enough that you don't have to constantly think about charging them. This is especially useful for international travelers, families, or anyone carrying expensive gear while moving around a lot. Of course, they depend on nearby device networks for the best tracking accuracy, but for peace of mind alone, they're absolutely worth carrying on every trip. Halfway through the list at number 5, we have this fingerprint smart lock, and it's one of those small travel gadgets that can make a surprisingly big difference. Instead of carrying tiny keys or trying to remember combinations while rushing through airports or hotels, you can unlock it instantly with your fingerprint or phone. That convenience becomes really useful when you're protecting luggage, backpacks, lockers, or even travel cases during long trips. It's compact, lightweight, and rechargeable, so it doesn't add extra bulk to your gear. The waterproof design also makes it practical for outdoor travel, camping, or beach destinations where regular locks might not hold up as well. Obviously, no lock is completely foolproof, but having quick and secure access without fumbling around is something frequent travelers will definitely appreciate. For combining convenience, portability, and extra peace of mind, this one easily earns its place in the ranking. Remember that all the links are in the description. You can compare prices and read customer reviews. At number 4, we have the HikeNture Inflatable Travel Pillow, and this is one of those products that can make long flights, road trips, or even camping nights way more comfortable. Unlike bulky neck pillows that barely fit in your bag, this one packs down incredibly small while still giving proper neck and head support when you need it. The ergonomic shape helps reduce stiffness during long travel days, which can honestly make a huge difference when you arrive at your destination. It also has a removable washable cover, so it feels cleaner and more comfortable during repeated trips. This is especially useful for frequent flyers, backpackers, or anyone tired of trying to sleep in uncomfortable airplane seats. Sure, inflatable pillows aren't quite the same as a real bed pillow, but for portability and convenience, this one does an excellent job and definitely deserves a place on this list. Coming in at number 3, we have this compact electronics organizer. And if your backpack is usually full of tangled cables, chargers, adapters, and random accessories, this can make traveling feel way more organized. Instead of digging through your luggage every time you need a charger or power bank, everything stays neatly separated and easy to access. It has multiple compartments for cables, SD cards, batteries, chargers, and even smaller gadgets, which is especially useful for travelers carrying a lot of tech. The compact design also helps save space without adding unnecessary bulk to your bag. It's waterproof too, which adds a little extra protection during flights or unpredictable weather. Obviously, it won't magically reduce the amount of gear you pack, but it makes managing all your essentials much less frustrating. For convenience and organization alone, this is one of those travel accessories that quickly becomes hard to live without. At number 2, we have this airplane phone holder mount, and it's one of those tiny travel accessories that ends up being way more useful than you expect. Instead of awkwardly holding your phone for hours during a flight or balancing it on the tray table, this lets you clip your device directly onto the seat in front of you for a much more comfortable viewing angle. It rotates in multiple directions, so whether you're watching movies, following maps, or taking video calls during layovers, it makes the experience feel much more convenient. It's also super compact, which means you can easily keep it in your backpack or even your pocket without noticing it's there. Obviously, it depends on the type of seat or surface available, but for frequent flyers who spend hours on planes, this is a simple upgrade that can genuinely make traveling more enjoyable and less uncomfortable. And finally, taking the number 1 spot, we have this anti-theft travel backpack. Because honestly, it combines almost everything travelers actually need into one practical setup. It has dedicated compartments for laptops, chargers, passports, water bottles, and everyday essentials, which makes staying organized during flights or long travel days much easier. The anti-theft design adds extra peace of mind in crowded airports, trains, or busy tourist areas, especially if you carry valuable electronics with you. It's also water-resistant and comfortable enough for daily use, whether you're commuting, exploring a city, or traveling internationally. One of the biggest advantages is how versatile it feels, since it works for students, business travelers, digital nomads, and casual vacation trips alike. Sure, it's not the smallest backpack out there, but the storage, comfort, and security features make it an incredibly reliable all-around travel companion, which is exactly why it earns the top spot on this list.